make it a little bit more or less congested, going down towards the Paddock Hill Bend. We've got the 3 Division 2 trucks for the start of the season, but the majority going to Division 1, which is the more powerful, slightly more tuned, whereas Division 2 are more production-like that you'll see on the roads around the UK. But can Ryan Smith now get this season off to a winning start? Probably wouldn't put it against him after taking 16 wins last year.
It was quite cool actually during qualifying to watch him and David Jenkins, as they are now, side by side during the qualifying session. Ryan Smith.
The first race of the season underway. It's the Daimler Freightliner of Ryan Smith on pole position, the MAN of David Jenkins alongside. They make up the front row of the grid, and British Truck Racing for 2024 is now underway as the power of the big rigs are unleashed down towards Paddock Hill Bend. It's side by side already between the top 2. Side by side for 3rd and 4th, but Ryan Smith will have the inside line for Paddock Hill Bend for the first time. But can he hold it? Can't quite get there, although if he holds on, he would have had the inside line for Graham Hill Bend, but it's not quite going to work as Ryan Smith gets himself to the lead. It's David Jenkins for 2nd, and for 3rd place, just about hanging on, is going to be John Bowler, and Michael Oliver is going to give a little bit of a bang there to the number 3 machine of Stephen Howe.
He wanted that place back, didn't he, for sure, on the run down towards Graham Hill Bend, and you know what, off the line. David Jenkins crossing the line in 2nd place, then across the line in 3rd place is John Bowler, who went side by side with Michael Oliver off the line, exchanging paperwork on the 2nd line. Jenkins is looking pretty racy in 2nd place.
Certainly is, yeah. Normally when Ryan Smith gets out front, it's hard to stop him, but
which is what Stuart Oliver used to do when he was getting his 10 titles in the championship. So it's not particularly alien to this championship when you get a driver that slows down his
the limits are 100 miles per hour, and it's very difficult to get through. It's usually very late on the brakes, which Stuart is looking to do. Might be a moving on the car. Slightly here from Michael Oliver, so it might be 2 Olivers making a move before too much longer. Of course, Michael runs the MAN. You've got the Volvo VNL of Stuart Oliver, which is a little bit tail happy there.
Got a bit wiggly coming out of Graham Hill, isn't he? That's exciting. That's what we want to see. Time champion. His advantage is 2.4 seconds over David Jenkins. Then this lap on the 3rd place.
Impressive, but not yet pushing. John Bowler still doing a grand job in the blue and red truck number 14 to sit on the podium ahead of Michael Oliver in truck number 12. Get very close. Back in, just stepping out slightly through the first corner. Great little battle this Bell and Stuart Oliver. They make their way around Graham Hill Bend now. They're down the Cooper Straight, accelerating, unleashing the power as they go towards the left-hand slap. The gap was, it's now 3.2 seconds. So, Michael Oliver goes through places and still this battle. Stuart Oliver truck just behind. The top line was as they come out of through the centre down on the inside as they go into Graham Hill Bend. And Bowler goes a little bit wide. Himself in 3rd position, but is there any power's wise to that, into the inside up towards Druid and close off. And Stuart keeps that down towards Granville Bend. You're fantastic.
Leo's as part of the support package for the now then they go side by side. Stuart Oliver is finally able to get past Stephen Powell. Lap after lap, an incessant amount of pressure was being applied to Stephen Powell by the time.
The lead striking with him now, 4 minutes 50. Go through to complete lap number 8, and the gap between the top short that occasion is 1-4 now. How's 6, and then a decent 7 just about to come over the brow through the top go. Behind him, this is a great battle because both of them in fact in Division 2 once again this year. And if John Powell has a metro before them,
always spectacular, isn't it? Everywhere he goes around the circuit. Jenks goes across the line. He's going to be on the second. Here's the advantage. Got a bit of work to do, haven't they, with Brian Smith and Anthony having Brian Smith behind the wheel.
Yeah, I think it'll get harder to do top 8 for tomorrow and get reversed. So effectively, Ryan Smith has some work to do from lower down to now. And more wins to tally, and potentially at the end of this year, and maybe another championship to get one closer to that from Stuart Oliver. Total. Tomo Raw, by the way, is now at the back of the field. He had a moment early on, not too sure what happened, but on one lap he lost about 30 seconds.
Sitting in the gravel down there, it is a very, very bright Side by side. looks like there's a lot of rubber footwork there, so I'm not sure. The end of the race, they've got a minute, 16 seconds before the end of the race.
Waiting for John Howe to go in. They still run up towards the corner. Then again, as we know, down towards Granville Bend, you find yourself on the outside line for those. I think John Howe bodywork damage, so poor event. Oh, he does run into him again. He's bitten sideways through Granville Bend, and John Howe for the second time. Just like that.
They've given us a fair bit of drama during this race, this opening race of the season. 20 seconds to go until we have the checkered flag. Looks like it's going to be a first the reigning champion, Ryan Smith, some 7.4 seconds ahead